Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Today we will be looking at the KingJoy VT831 tripod. Now I already have quite a few different KingJoy tripods, mainly the mini tripods, and I will link those videos down in the description box for you to have a look at if you're interested. Now KingJoy have actually watched some of my other videos on their products. And I know this because they've left comments on those videos. However, they still have not sent me any free stuff to review on this channel. I did have to buy this and I did pay full price for it. So you will be getting an unbiased review. Now the reason I purchased this tripod was because I wanted a sturdy traveling tripod that would fit in my backpack or would attach to the side of my backpack, or like my GoPro backpack. That's what I use for my camera bag, and this should be able to attach to the side of it. Now this tripod here is a 4-section tripod. Now this tripod is 1.35 meters tall or 1350 millimeters. It is also 410 millimeters when not extended, like in this state here. And it weighs just over half a kilo or 1 pound. It's actually got 0.51 kilos, which is around 1 pound. So it's quite light for a tripod. And it's got a maximum load of 2 kilos, which is plenty for what I'm doing. So it'll fit my camera, which is the Sony Alpha 6400 that I'm filming this on. So let's have a look what we've got in there. Okay, that's that. Comes with a nice little bag. Okay, that's a nice touch. KingJoy on there. Okay, it's a drawstring bag. Let's open it up and see. Most of the KingJoy stuff that I've got is really good quality for the price. So it's great value for money. It's not cheap, but it's good value for money. It's not overpriced, it's not overly expensive, and I've never had any problems with any of the KingJoy stuff that I've got. And some of it I've had for years, and some of it is right in front of me here. I'm using the KingJoy ball heads on all my lights, and I'm using a KingJoy tripod that the camera's sitting on. KingJoy VT831. There you go. It's got rubber feet, which is nice, and it's got these type of clip latches that extend and they lock in very positive. Okay, first impressions are very good, and it's got 3 sections to extend out on each leg, and it is very sturdy for the size of it especially. Nice and compact. That will definitely fit on my backpack. And there's the head of it. There it is sitting on the desk. The head's adjustable. Okay. Okay, it's very solid once everything's tightened up. So you can tilt that at various angles, 90 degrees to flat. First impressions, it is pretty good for the price. And like I said, these aren't very expensive, but because they are quite sturdy and they do the job really well, they are what I call good value for money. I use my camera a lot, and I've been using some of my smaller KingJoy tripods for several years now without any problems at all. And I'm hoping this one will be the same. So look, first impressions, I'm very, very happy with it. I would put the camera on there for you, but then I can't film it because the camera is right here, right there. Okay, so if I take the camera from there and put it here, you can't see it anyway, but trust me, the camera will fit on there, no problems at all. Now if you enjoyed this quick little unboxing video and first look at the KingJoy VT831 tripod, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not my new KingJoy tripod, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.